So glad to have you on board for some hoops. This is Brian Anderson, joined courtside by Grant Hill and Clark Kellogg. Our reporter tonight, Allie LaForce. It'll be the Celtics off the tip. Oh, clanks that one. He's 0 for 1 to start. And here's Doncic. Kicks it out to Smart. And the three off target. And here's White. He'll bring it up for the Celtics. Nice ball movement by Boston. Here's Tatum. Pass to Keita. Shot clock at 5. Back to Tatum. Over James. And it's Tatum missing. Now Doncic. It's James on the wing. That three's off the mark. Outside Tatum. Here's Brown. And Brown with the stuff.
The athletic Brown with a big-time slam. You got to defend him better than this.
Doncic with it. Now guarded by White. Smart for 3. Boston on offense. Inside. Here's Hauser. Oh, and he got fouled on his way up. He'll head to the line to shoot 2. Austin Reeves picks one up. Boston shooting their initial free throws of the game here.
At the line for your Celtics.
And he sinks the second. First minute and a half of basketball played here in this one. Doncic outside. Pass to Smart. Here's James. Uses the glass on the layup.
Well, that's exactly where LeBron wants to go. Almost unstoppable once he gets the ball in the painted area.
Here's Keita. And that one is hammered home.
He put a little flair on that one.
Yes, he did. Man, he's a strong finisher, huh?
Not when he can throw it down like that. Boom!
Now here's White. Tatum with a screen. Oh, Tatum slams it home.
Tatum, like most players, is best when he's aggressive and attacking the basket.
James outside. Ayton with a screen. And slam dunk by James.
Superb work in the pick and roll that time by LeBron James. Such a pro at executing in these sets. Takes advantage of whatever mistake the defense makes.
And finished off by Tatum.
Slams it down with the hand.
Man, they're really getting aggressive now.
Now's the time to do it. Keep attacking that rim.
And now a timeout called by J.J. Redick. We might see him looking to make some tweaks to the strategy. And the Lakers making a change here. Lakers trail by 5. .149 left in the first quarter of the game. Screen by James. To the paint. Count the bucket. Coming off a perfectly placed pass.
The assist.
6 points for LeBron James.
Well, you better stop the ball, especially when it's LeBron James with it. That guy is pretty good.
And that's what they want to do. Get him open looks early.
Now here's Doncic. Still without a bucket. And they'll keep possession. Goes back up. And the layup is good by James.
Assistant.
Fighting through contact, not easy trying to corral LeBron when he's focused on scoring. Good luck with that.
Pass to Tatum. And the Celtics another three.
Well, they count on big-time production from him at the offensive end.
There's 49 seconds left to play in the first quarter. That one drops for him.
Want to score in the NBA? Picks can really force the D to make tough choices.
Here's Kata. Back to Hauser. To the middle. Kata gets the bucket. Kata's got his second basket of the game.
Good decision-making. Scopes the situation, puts the pass right on the mark.
Oh, wasted no time on that one.
Getting the ball and taking his shot, Smart makes it look almost effortless.
Now here's Pritchard. Pass to Tatum. And finished off by Tatum.
Hey, you know what he lacks inside, he makes up for with his vertical.
And Doncic hammers it home.
Hey, kept it simple. No reason to get fancy right now, PA.
Yeah, he's just looking to find shots and produce for his team.
Hey, I thought there was some style there, guys. What are you guys looking at? I mean, it was still a pretty sweet, flavorful one-hand flush.
Both teams deciding to change it up. Pritchard hits them both.
When you send somebody like him to the line, it's pretty much easy money.
Oh, and the release was before the buzzer, but it's off target. And so it's Jason Tatum making highlights.
21. Los Angeles. 14.
And for those of you just tuning in, second quarter action is where we are. And guys, let's get your take on the scoring breakdown for the Celtics.
They've done a great job facilitating so far. So moving the rock and finding the open man, just great selfless basketball.
Back to Kennard. And the call is going to be, yes, an illegal screen.
One of the trickier plays to judge, but it would be hard to argue against the call.
Yeah, you know, the officials aren't nearly as lenient as they used to be on that call. As a matter of fact, I know I got away with a lot of those in my playing days, but that was 40 years ago.
Pass to Shireman. Lets it go from deep. Oh, clanks that one. He's 0 for 1 to start. Down low. Nice ball movement by Boston. From deep, Harper. Lakers trail by 7. Here's Hachimura. Laravia outside. Off target with the 3.
Defense may have given him that one. Based on the result, you see why.
A nice shot by Walsh.
Derek White, very efficient as a combo guard, and really takes a lot of pleasure in getting his teammates open shots.
Pass to Reeves. And he was fouled while in the act of shooting, so he'll take 2 free throws.
Yeah, really left him no choice there. He had to foul and keep him from converting the easy bucket.
And so Reeves nails both of them.
One of the tough things about guarding Reeves is his change of pace ability. I mean, he gives you a lot of different looks, a little bit herky-jerky and kind of unorthodox, and all of that keeps you off balance.
Now here's Brown. And Pritchard, here we go. Cranked it in off the glass. Pritchard's got 7 points in the game.
If you give him any sort of space, he's gonna attack.
And so now a timeout called by J.J. Redick. Coach probably just checking to make sure everybody's on the same page here. Boston making a switch here. Now here's Reeves. And the officials will call the illegal screen here.
The screener was leaning a bit right there. His feet may not have been planted. Pretty obvious call by the officials.
Yeah, I agree. You know, sometimes that can be a tough call for the refs to make, but not that time. It was easy there.
Pritchard with it. Hachimura covering. Outside Tatum. Back to Pritchard. Let's go with a 3. Hachimura with a rebound. Lakers trail by 9. Pass to Reeves. Back to Doncic. Doncic down the lane. Kicks it out to Kennard. Now Hayes. And the call will be against Peyton Pritchard. That's his first foul of the game.
First personal foul. Second team foul.
Quarter 2 and just under 2.5 minutes gone by. And slam dunk by James.
Hey, I really like what I'm seeing from LeBron here tonight, keeping it simple. He's going to the hot hand, which is him. That's pretty good.
Now here's Pritchard. 7 points in the game. Shot clock at 6. Fires the 3. And that makes him 3 for 4. He's looking good.
Gotta fight harder to get over those screens.
Whoa! Are you kidding me, LeBron?
Man, I like seeing LeBron throw it down, especially when he decides to do it with a little flavor.
Pass to Pritchard. Now Hauser. And so it looks like the Celtics will retain possession here.
Coming on to the floor for the Lakers. Number 5.
1:44 left to the second period. Clock at 6. Back to Pritchard. Here's Tatum. Oh, and it's Tatum finishing it off inside.
We know Tatum's got a terrific jumper, but I like when he pounds that paint too.
To the inside. James. The shot is good. Doncic making the play. James has got 16 points.
Credit their discipline. They've been working for high percentage shots.
Outside Tatum. It goes again. His 6th basket in 7 tries.
Tatum clearly putting on a show in this one, doing it all.
Doncic into the lane. Oh, how about the aggressiveness from Luka? Celtics lead by 8. And there's the screen. Over to the wing. Pass to Hauser. It's stolen by Smart. We've got a 9-second difference between the shot clock and game clock. Basket counts. He's got 18.
Good heads-up basketball. Sees an opening and capitalizes.
They double-team Tatum. Nice ball movement by Boston. Tatum barreling in. And yes, it's good. He's 7 for 8 now.
Tatum's athleticism as he drives, really impressive. I mean, just shredding the defense to pieces there.
Down low. And it's James with the jam.
And he brings this game a little closer using a huge one-hand slam.
That's a great way to get your team back into it.
That might indeed ignite a spark in this team.
Los Angeles.
And in that first half, we saw a pretty tight battle. We'll soon find out what sort of adjustments were discussed during halftime. Oh, and the jam by Doncic.
Did you guys see that from Luka? My goodness, some extra sauce there.
Three-pointer goes up, three-pointer goes down for White.
I mean, I guess they're willing to give him that shot. They may want to rethink that strategy, though.
And they call an illegal screen here.
One of the trickier plays to judge, but it would be hard to argue against the call.
Yeah, you know, the officials aren't nearly as lenient as they used to be on that call. As a matter of fact, I know I got away with a lot of those in my playing days, but that was 40 years ago.
Doncic feeling it out a bit. To the middle. Here's Ayton. Oh, and the jam by Ayton.
Doncic knows he's the focal point of the defense, so really good to see him find the open man.
Oh, here's White on the drive. And he gets it to go. Vucevic has got his first basket.
A great move. I mean, the defense has no response.
Yeah, if that's a harbinger of things to come, he's looking at having a very big second half.
Now here's White. Pass to Harper. The 3-ball. It's rebounded by Los Angeles. To the paint. Out to James. Doncic on the wing. 6 points for him. Here's Ayton. Oh, he missed the layup. He had it with the pump fake. And here's White. He'll bring it up for the Boston Celtics. They've led by as much as 10. And Vucevic slams it in.
No higher percentage shot than that, guys. You love seeing Vucevic finish at the rim like that. Excellent aggressiveness there.
And you never want to give a shooter like him a clean look.
No problems knocking that one down. White's got 5 points now in the quarter.
That is good offense, unselfish play.
Pass to James. And once again, off the mark by Los Angeles. Boston leading by 11. Here's Shireman. Outside White. Five to shoot. He shoots it. And all around the rim that time before dropping.
They're making it look easy out there, just having fun.
Yeah, offensively, they've just been rolling. Impossible to stop.
Smart for three. And Smart nails the triple.
Yeah, he's so much fun to watch. Smart hit that corner three, and his teammates and coaches are all about it.
2 minutes remaining in the third. 2 minutes.
1:57 left to play in the third quarter here. White for three. And Ayton pulls it down. Lakers trail by 10. Here's James. And slam dunk by James.
An ultra competitor in everything he does. LeBron doesn't go up just for the simple layup. He wants to throw it down.
Just over 3.5 minutes through the third. Doncic left side. White with the steal. Picked by Vucevic. Takes the three. Again, the miss by the Celtics. Left side Reeves. There's 57 seconds left in the third quarter. Pass to Ayton. 6 to shoot. Nice ball movement by Los Angeles. There's the strength of the King.
He's bringing a lot of energy to this offense, not letting the scoreboard discourage him right now.
Well, I tell you what, the hole would be a lot deeper if he wasn't being as efficient as he's been so far.
Here's Pritchard. He's got 10. Left side Tatum. Inside. And Tatum fires one home.
He knew exactly where his man was going to be. Outstanding lead pass. And what an aggressive move to the rim. He's really trying to fire up his teammates right now.
Boy, it's not hard to feel inspired after a teammate makes that kind of finish.
You know, when you're looking to close the gap, you need guys who will take it upon themselves to step up, take the initiative, and make something happen.
Here's Hachimura. And he drops in the layup off the glass.
Assisted.
Now just a 4-point Celtic lead.
The execution has been better lately. But do they have enough energy to pull it off?
This game was in danger of getting away from them. They've made a nice push to keep it close.
And as we end the third quarter, a great game. Both teams playing well. Boston out in front.
The Lakers, 43.
3 tense quarters behind us. One more to go. Thanks for being with us as we get ready for the fourth. Celtics lead by 4. Outside Pritchard. Tatum with it. 14 feet away. Kennard with the rebound. Pass to Hayes. And finished off by Hayes.
This has been the story of the game, a battle fought on offense.
Any lull in the action so far has been short-lived because there have been nothing but buckets in this one.
Here's Reeves. Lays it up and banks it in.
When Reeves can get the ball inside, he's a pretty reliable scorer.
Outside Tatum. Going inside. Oh, Tatum slams it home.
Now that's how you use the screen right there.
And it leads to a thunderous finish. That was nice.
And, you know, not enough help from the defense there to compensate. He gets a clean look, and that's exactly how you draw it up.
Oh, my! That's why we have those breakaway runs.
Dude, he risked pulling the whole thing down to the floor right there.
Boy, that was a great dunk, and we've got a great game here.
And defensively, how do you leave them that open in crunch time?
And Los Angeles making a change here. And let's swing it over to the sideline and hear from Allie.
I was able to listen in on what J.J. Redick was going over with his team. He was very upbeat and positive, saying to his guys, let's go. I want you guys to up the pace. Look to push the ball up the floor whenever you can. They cannot stop us in transition. Let's see how the team responds. Guys?
And Allie, thank you for that. Down low. Back to Tatum. Pass to Pritchard. To the inside.
And Tatum does a little bit of everything, and he's especially skilled down low. Fantastic at drawing the defense into him and playing off the contact while he's going up for a shot.
He makes 1 or 2 that time.
Well, he did enough there. He made it a 2-possession game, at least.
Doncic outside. Hayes with a screen. Now here's Doncic. Oh, what a jam! Holding nothing back.
Luka's so smart to get other guys involved in the action. Very good at not forcing it and trying to do everything himself. And Tatum has been in these situations before. He's reliable when it comes to stepping up in big moments.
Now Hachimura. And rebounded by Tatum. Fourth quarter keeps moving along. 3 minutes gone by now.
2 minutes remaining in the game. 2 minutes.
Here's Pritchard. Here's Kata. No good. And here's Doncic. In stride on the lay-in from a sweet assist.
Doncic, so multifaceted. A stat sheet stuffer supreme. He does everything, including dropping down.
Tatum. Ooh, he leaves no question.
Impressive one-hand slam right there, BA.
Man, as long as he's confident about it, I'm good with it. Maybe use 2 hands next time. He knows where he is.
Somebody you can count on. He is an extremely reliable finisher.
And the Lakers will go for a different look here. Here's Ayton. Oh, he goes to the glass with that one.
Yeah, this is where Ayton's comfortable operating, using his height and array of inside moves to his advantage.
Outside Pritchard. Tatum outside. Drives to the hoop. Pritchard outside. Oh, missed on the tray. Now Los Angeles with it. 2-point game. Now James. Ayton. James outside. To tie it up. That misses. 7-second difference between the shot clock and the game clock. In the corner, Tatum. Here's Pritchard. Here's a pass to Tatum. Oh, wow. Unable to get off a shot. They'll turn it over. Very unfortunate time there to pick up a shot clock violation. And we've got a timeout called by J.J. Redick. The pressure is on, and he's got a plan to share with his guys. What do you think Coach will be drawing up here?
A chance to tie it up here.
A critical possession, no doubt. We'll see what they draw up.
So it's a narrow victory for the Celtics, pulling it out for the W. What a performance they had here at home today.
I'll tell you what, these are the ones that are so nice.